Riri Muthamaki Charles wa gatatu wa bururi wa Ngeretha hamwe na mutumia wake CAMILLA mari icera-ini ria thiku inya guku bururi-ini, ikundi itiganite ni cieyumiritie ikienda kihoto kiao githingatwo na njira ya kurihwo ni thirikari ya Ngeretha kurumirira ruo ruria magereirio ni nyakeru na gutunywo migunda yao. Makiaria mari na ruo ruingi ruria makoretwo makiririirie kwa makiria wa miaka 9, aikari a ITURA ria KANGANGU kaunti-ini ya MURANG'A ni maugite maturite na kiriro thutha wa amwe ao gutungio bara njuru ni arangiri ya kambuni ya Kakuzi iria meri yayo ni bururi wa Ngeretha.
Mawacimeni ma Kakuzi ni matikira advantage na makihura andu uru muno. Andu ni mahurirwo, andu makionjio, angi magithukio maitho ni tear gas. Na kuma hindi iyo ni tukoretwo na cira na Kakuzi na tutire twona kihoto gitu.
Aikari aya ni maugite mageria ma kwaraniria na urugamiriri wa kambuni ino matikoretwo magiciara matunda na nikio moete mweke uyu gukorwo magicokerio ciuria ciao na kuhingirio kihoto kiao ni muthamaki wa Ngeretha riri ari guku bururi-ini.
Ria twahurirwo ni macokire makirehe andu mareta sikika aria tutaramenya maumire nako tondu mareita human right no twaura tukona ti human right mena kiundu kingi gitari kia kuaririria community ya guku
document ici magacoka magaikaranga ninge magagwite magakwira icio ni njega magacoka ninge magagukora ninge magakwira ti njega gutire hindi sikika makoragwo magituhe uhoro wa ma
kugena kuo nduriri cia Kipsigis na Talai kuma kaunti-ini ya Kericho onao ni moritie kurihwo mugunda wao wa eka 35,000 hamwe na besha kuma kuri thirikari ya Ngeretha ta marihi ma mitangiko iria matungirio ni nyakeru makiria wa miaka 60 mihituku hindi ya wiyathi wa Queen Elizabeth wa Keri.
People of Talai Laibon to be exact, where they were subjected to various atrocity. Land is there in Kericho. We don't see the reason why we are not being settled.
People have been squatting for the last 60 years. When they came from Nandi, the 3 brothers who are our grandfathers were banished. One to Nyeri, another one to MURANG'A, and the other one to Meru. For example, the one who was killed in Moyale. He was shot dead and his skull was taken by the British soldiers. To date, it has never been returned.
Nayo dudu ya thuri kuma kaunti-ini ya Nandi ni teteire family cia njamba iria cioragirwo ni nyakeru irihwo ni thirikari ya Ngeretha niguo kihoto kiao gikinyanire.
Huyo King Charles akikuja atuambie mahali kichwa wa huyu kukaa yetu iko.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jetagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.